keys. Same with the 16, so it's just twist and go.
Yep.
It's going to be pretty much.
Do you need to hold in the clutch to start it?
You don't, but I do for every bike regardless, just in case.
Yep.
You don't want to start it in gear.
Yeah.
Flick it off.
Yeah.
Just take it easy, man.
Yep.
It's going to be one of those things where you're going to have heaps of power at your wrist, so
yeah,
take it easy, it'll be fine.
Alright.
Once we go around, I'll take you on the extended type one. If you do feel like you do want to go, you can do it.
Okay.
It's at your own risk.
Yeah.
Because we've got the tray plate, you get a speeding fine, and it gets to you. So,
yeah,
that's
no worries, man.
If you want to just follow me the whole way, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh god, dude, it's so much higher than mine. The seat's a bit more comfy though. Oh my god. Alrighty, let's fucking do this shit. Oh dude, my leg is so far up.
What the fuck?
Oh dude, it's so much smoother.
You're cramped as fuck on that.
Yeah, I feel it. I don't know about this bike already, eh? Just having my right leg up like this. So gay I have to wear this fluoro fucking jacket. Or almost thought it. I could see myself on a 2016 though. This looks sick. Are the indicators on the mirrors?
Yeah, they are.
Oh nice. I like that. Oh man, it's so smooth. Oh, dude, I'm just gonna stay in first gear. Oh, dude, I like it. I really like it. Oh man, that takeoff. Oh my god, I'm gonna have an orgasm. It takes off so easy. Yeah. Oh, I wanna flex it, eh?
Yeah, we said you could.
Yeah, I know. How good's that?
Just get wait until we're off like 53.
Yeah. And he's taken us a longer way. That's fucking, what a legend. Ooh, turning's a bit, oh yeah, because the fucking tyres are like chicken stripped out, eh? Fucking full of chicken strips. Sketchy as fuck. I'm thinking, fuck a motard, dude. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get 1,000. 3 weeks and I'm gonna get one. I don't know, but see, I want to test ride the other stuff as well. I don't just want to ride this and be like, yeah, I want that, because that's just stupid to do.
How many Ks does that one have?
12,599. That's alright for 10 grand, eh? Holy shit. Oh, he's forgot his indicator.
Yeah, you keep doing that.
Can flex it properly, or should I just slow down a bit and then go, what? What about for fucking power wheel? Holy shit, man! Damn!
And that was like what, 1 mil total?
Yeah. Ready? So if I start at 45. First. Oh, it's fucking heaps easy, dude. I reckon I could go through the hills heaps easy. Oh my god, dude. I love this bike. See, before I get a 2016, if I get one, I would want to test ride it.
Yeah, it'll be way different for that.
Yeah. And apparently, yeah, apparently fucking 2017's like completely different to 16, so. That was second, I think. Hold on. Yeah, it was. Well, that's neutral. Yeah. Damn! That's only 108 k's. Oh, this is a good spot too. If it's the road I'm thinking it is.
No, cameras all over the road.
No, not from here. Oh, look out this bloke, bruv. What the fuck is that?
On the CB stuff.
So much power, dude. Fuck, I love it. So good just having the power all through. I wonder what it's like on the highway. What's it like on the highway?
What?
What's it like on the highway?
Good.
Yeah?
Easy, man. Very easy. Nothing is good. Just like one bed.
Yeah?
Still got heaps of power.
Nice. Fuck yeah. Well, yeah, 110 on the highway, you'll probably be in like third or fourth gear. On my bike, that's like 6 gear at 6,000 revs. I don't know where he wants me to put this.
Like where you got it?
Yeah.
Or did we just leave it there? I don't know.
I'll put it where I got it. Next to them ones. Where are you?
Can't believe I like it.
Cheers, mate.
No worries.